Beeping everyone's streets. Pepper girl. Hold on, your ears are good. Okay. Pee-pee. Oh my god. I like it better when your ears are oh. Could you not eat? Oh, hello, Easter Bunny. Oh, Cisco, you want some Easter Bunny ears too. Oh, let me see. Cisco. Come on, Cisco. I know, Keeper just wants the treats. Cisco. Cisco, hold your head up high, Easter Bunny. There you go. Aww. Could you not pink ears? You want the pink ears instead? Do you like the pink ears? We can switch the ears around. Oh. How about if I put Easter Bunny ears on?
You gonna play, baby? Do you want Easter Bunny ears?
Oh, you're so handsome. Don't you eat the bunny?
Baby! Oh.
Oh, let's see if you can get a picture with me and Zephyr Doodles.